love bath time. Lucas. See, this is what we do when I get cranky. Mommy and Daddy put me in the bathtub and I start playing. Can you say hi? Oh yeah, kick those legs, kick those legs. Hey, say hi, Luke.
You're not gonna get it. It's not take it, just blaze away.
Ooh, back up. You're squirming forward.